to Cebuano businesses, Cebuano stakeholders, and of course, it will benefit the rest of the Philippines. We're very honored to welcome buyers from over 50 countries, as well as tourism ministers from ASEAN countries, including our dialogue partners. The ASEAN Tourism Forum seeks to reinvigorate the tourism economy in Cebu, as well as continue to support our national economy. So we're thankful also to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., who delivered through me as his representative his message for our delegates this evening, and nagpasalamat sad ta sa tuang First Lady sa iyang pagpatani karong gabi una.
We just